Have you ever admired a piece of artwork and noticed how the frame not only protects it, but also enhances the beauty of the piece? If you've ever been to the Modern Gallery in San Francisco, you can be validated for thinking that oftentimes the frames are more beautiful than the artworks themselves. I'm not a fan of Picasso either. Give me a Monet and his beautiful lilies any day. But hey, each to their own, right? Anyway, regardless of your preferences in art, without the frame, the art is unprotected. But with it, the focus is made clearer, more defined, and more powerful. And this is exactly how boundaries work in your life. Boundaries aren't walls to shut people out. Unless, of course, it's between you and people who you actually do need to shut out. But generally speaking, boundaries aren't walls that are supposed to shut people out. They're frames to protect you and to enhance the best parts of you. Boundaries help you to maintain your peace, your focus, and your self-worth. Without them, your life can become messy, your relationships can become overwhelming, and you can lose sight of yourself. The problem is the lack of boundaries can lead to chaos. Many people struggle to set them, whether it's in relationships, work, or even within themselves. Without boundaries, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by other people's demands and to neglect your own needs. You might find yourself saying yes when you really want to say no. A lack of boundaries can lead to emotional exhaustion, resentment, and anxiety because you're constantly giving your energy to situations and to people that probably don't deserve it. If you've tried to please others at the expense of your own happiness, it can be easy to feel they've taken advantage of you. It can be easy to feel they've taken advantage of your generosity, your energy, your wisdom, your presence, your money, your body, your time, or whatever it is for you. And here's the thing. If you don't set boundaries, you give away pieces of yourself. If you don't set boundaries, if you give away pieces of yourself, if you're too agreeable, you can lose focus. Your self-worth can diminish. And you can start to feel burnt out. There's an emotional toll to no boundaries. If you're constantly being asked to do things for others, whether it's staying late at work, attending every family event, or helping a friend who always seems to need something. At first, it can feel good, but eventually you can start to feel drained and left with no time or energy for yourself and your own projects and your own hobbies. Maybe you started to feel overwhelmed and trapped but didn't know how to say no, or had a fear of disappointing others, or had a fear of being seen as selfish. Over time, it's easy to feel like you've lost control of your own life. And this is what happens if you fail to set boundaries. You can become emotionally stretched too thin, resentful, and start questioning your own self-worth. So what's the solution? The solution is to set boundaries that enhance your life. Recognise the importance of your personal boundaries. Just like a frame around a painting enhances the beauty of the artwork, boundaries will enhance your life. They aren't selfish. They are self-respect. They allow you to take care of yourself so that you can show up for yourself and others when it truly matters. They're about protecting your energy, protecting your time and your emotional well-being. See them as a form of self-love. Your boundaries will help you feel more in control, more confident, and less stressed. Setting boundaries requires your clear communication. Most adults are not psychic. Some people are, but generally speaking, you'll have to communicate your boundaries clearly. Don't assume that others know what you're comfortable with or not. You have to tell them. And the people who refuse to listen, they have to go. Be honest with yourself about what drains you and what you need for you to feel balanced. Express your needs clearly and respectfully to the people around you. For example, if you feel overwhelmed at work, you might say, I need to leave at 5 p.m. today to take care of some personal responsibilities. Or in a relationship, you might say something like, I need some quiet time after work to recharge before we talk. Remember, your boundaries are not up for debate. You don't need to apologise for protecting your time and energy. Be respectful and honour other people's boundaries too. Have respect for what other people need in order to maintain their balance. Always be consistent. Once you've decided what your boundaries are and have set them, it's essential to enforce them consistently. This means saying no when necessary, and it means not letting guilt push you into giving in to suit someone else's agenda. It's natural to feel uncomfortable at first, especially if you were raised to do what you're told, especially if you were in a spiritual group, religion or family that told you to not question authority. If you're not used to standing up for your needs. And especially if you were punished with violence if you did voice your own opinion. But over time and with practice, it'll become easier. The more consistent you are with your boundaries, the more people will respect them. If someone pushes against them, then remind them calmly and firmly why it's important. Staying consistent will not only strengthen your boundaries, but will also reinforce your self-worth and weed out the people that don't belong in your life. If you've struggled with setting them, start with one small step today. Choose an area of your life where you feel overwhelmed. And define what your new boundary is. Then align all of your thoughts, all your words, all your behaviours and all your feelings with it. Please like, share and subscribe. It really helps with the algorithms, and I'll see you next time.